mask is completely dry on the skin. My skin is feeling really tight. If you're wondering how it is feeling, like I can't move my face. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Large pores on the skin, leaving your skin with a lot of just holes. Look at this picture right here. That is a face that is filled with large pores, sometimes very unsightly and very uncomfortable for most people. Today I have a wonderful remedy that you can use on your skin to shrink those large pores. So if you're suffering from large pores, if you're having that kind of a pattern on your skin all because of large pores, maybe from acne or some other skin condition, this video is for you, so continue watching. Now our first ingredient is rice, and this is rice flour, and rice is really great for the skin. Using rice on your skin will definitely help to lift and firm the skin. It will help to get rid of those blackheads, it will shrink those pores, and it will take your skin to the next level when used on a regular, especially if you're getting on in age and you notice all those wrinkles and fine lines popping up on the skin. Your skin is looking rough, your skin is not as you really want it to be, then try some rice on the skin. For our second ingredient for getting rid of pores on the skin is cucumber. And here we have the cucumber. Now today for this remedy, I'm not gonna peel the cucumber. I'm gonna use everything, including the outer peel, which is loaded with ingredients that are great for shrinking those large pores. So make sure to wash your cucumber thoroughly, okay? Our next ingredient is lemon, and I'm using lemon in this recipe because lemon is going to help to clear the skin from spots and blemishes. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which will be able to penetrate deep into the pores, help to get rid of the dead skin cells, and help to renew the skin, to refresh the skin, leaving your skin just bright and clear. Now our final ingredient is Fuller's earth. Fuller's earth is also called miti, multi, I think. If you do not have Fuller's earth and you have other form of a clay, like green clay, then go ahead and use that. Guys, if you do not have Fuller's earth any at all, not to worry. Just use the rest of the ingredient and you're still good to go. However, a little Fuller's earth will definitely kick this facial mask up a notch, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash and chop the cucumber. Now remember, we're not peeling this cucumber, we're just chopping and blending as is. So the cucumber is in the blender, and now I'm gonna blend. And here I have my blended cucumber. So now here we have all the ingredients. We have our blended cucumber, we have our blended rice, we have our lemon, and we also have our Fuller's earth. So now I'm going to put all of this wonderful goodness together to create this facial mask. Now we're going to be blending once more, guys. For measurement purposes, we're doing it just like this. So we're using 2 tablespoons of cucumber, 1 tablespoon of rice, 1 tablespoon of Fuller's earth, and we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now guys, lemon juice, and I'm gonna use an optional ingredient in this recipe, which is rose water. Now pay attention. If you have dry skin, very dry skin, skip the lemon juice and use the rose water instead, okay? Dry skin, skip the lemon juice, use rose water. Normal skin, use both the rose water and the lemon juice, or for normal skin, you could also skip the rose water. Got it? All right. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of rose water. If you're using only rose water, 2 tablespoons. Only lemon juice, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of water, okay? And now we are gonna blend. Now let me just scoop this out in a bowl. Now here it is, guys. This is our pore diminisher. Anyway, guys, let me go on the other side and show you how to use this wonderful goodness on your skin for best results. Whenever you're using any facial mask, you want to make sure to cleanse your skin before you apply. Now, I'm going to use my hands to apply this facial mask. And for this one, I'm applying it in a circular motion. And the reason why I'm doing this is because we're also helping to get rid of clogged pores, and we have a little bit of a granule in this facial mask. I am basically exfoliating the skin with the facial mask before. So just apply the facial mask all over your skin. And this facial mask is good to use under the eyes. Just do not let it get in your eyes, okay? But use it under your eyes because it will help to get rid of the fine lines and wrinkles under the eyes. Remember, we have cucumber in this. We have rice in it. So very beneficial to wrinkles and fine lines. Now don't forget to go down on the neck and décolleté with this. This facial mask is not only going to get rid of your clogged pores, but guess what, guys? It's going to tighten the skin. So if you have sagging neck, go all the way down on the neck with this facial mask. So now that my face is completely covered, I'm going to sit with this. Oh, I could actually feel this tightening on my skin already. That is because of the Fuller's Earth in this facial mask. Fuller's Earth helps to tighten and firm the skin. Fuller's Earth can lift that skin, basically boosting that collagen production along with the other ingredient in this. So this is an overall wonderful anti-aging collagen boosting, tightening, getting rid of large pores, getting rid of under eyes wrinkles facial mask. And I specifically choose these ingredients when I'm making a facial mask like this. If you are short on time, I want you to still have the great benefits of these facial masks. So I just don't want you to only tighten. So I throw the Fuller's Earth in, and I also throw the cucumber in, which is going to nourish the skin, which is going to get rid of the wrinkles and the fine lines, while the Fuller's Earth is tightening that skin and shrinking those large pores. So if you actually watch my videos and just look at the combination, I try to put ingredients that is definitely going to do a double duty in whatever it is, whether it's a facial mask or a facial scrub. So, ooh, nice. Really tight and nice. So I'm going to sit with this for another 30 minutes and then I will be back with the result. So, okay guys, I am back and I've been sitting with this for 30 minutes, and take a look. The mask is completely dry on the skin. My skin is feeling really, really tight. If you're wondering how it is feeling, like I can't move my face. Yeah, you definitely know it grabs the skin. Now, what you're going to do next, you're going to rinse this off, pat dry, apply your favorite facial toner, layer your serum on top of that, and your favorite moisturizer, and then your favorite oil, or just use whatever you normally use on the skin to moisturize the skin. So there you have it. Give this wonderful remedy a try. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, leave your comments, share the video with friends, especially people suffering from large pores. So if this was your first time watching, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.